it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I think today is the day I go to the pet store and buy you a chew toy, Juju. Okay, let's go. Hey, are you okay? I didn't mean to hit you with my car. Hello? Hello? Oh, my head hurts. Okay, I'm gonna put you in my car and we're gonna go to the hospital. Oh no, I can't believe I hit someone. I cannot believe this is happening. Am I gonna go to jail? Oh no. Hello? Nurse? Doctor? I gotta go. Bye. What?
You okay?
My head hurts, but I'm okay.
Good, hurry up. Let's go get that chew toy you promised me.
Chew toy? Why would I buy the person that hit me with their car a chew toy?
No, silly. You promised me my dream chew toy before we left our home.
I don't understand, Juju. Are you talking to me?
No, it's the plant in the house. Yes, it's me.
I must have hit my head harder than I thought. I am imagining you are talking to me, Juju. This is crazy.
Ma'am, hey ma'am, who are you talking to?
Oh, no one, I'm sorry. I thought my pet was talking to me.
Ma'am, your pet is an animal. Animals don't talk.
If the idiot calls me a stupid pet again, I'm going to bite him.
Juju, shh. I got hit by a car and I just got dropped off by the person who hit me by the car, which is where?
You're at the hospital.
Where is the person that hit me?
I'm assuming it was the girl that dropped you off and ran.
Oh no, where did she go? I'm claiming hit and run.
Do you want the doctor to look at you?
No, I'm good. I'm heading home.
Yay. Pet shop chew toy, here we come.
Juju, stop talking. You talking is just my imagination. This can't be happening.
Shundara, I'm not a figment of anything. I'm real.
No, you are not.
Excuse me. You just walked right by the pet shop.
Excuse me? Do you hear my pet talking?
Shundara, you are the only one that can hear me.
You are just a normal pet that doesn't talk. I'm running away from you. You're not talking. It's all in my head. It's all in my head. My pets aren't talking.
No matter where you go, I will always...
He found me. He's still talking. Let me go. Oh. How do I get
No
this
matter
bubble
where
gum to
you
work?
go,
How?
I will always be there.
Hurry up, gun. The pet is still
Can
talking.
you listen already? Chew toy was promised to me.
Fine. We will get the chew toy and you will stop talking.
Sure, whatever.
Now, as promised, make sure you keep your side of the bargain. That's better. I thought I was going insane.
You still haven't given me the chew toy.
Here, take it.
Thank you. Now I'll stop talking.
You're going back in the bag.
It's my time to shine. Yeah.
Stop talking.
Wow. Rude much?
You're going back in the bag as well. I think I need to sleep and I'll feel better tomorrow. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. Please don't talk, pets. Please.
No matter where you go, I will always be there. Wow, rude much. Chew toy was promised to me. Thank you. Now I'll stop talking.
I guess it was just in my head yesterday. None of my pets are talking now.
But Shundara, we do talk. We talk to each other.
No, this is a bad dream.
And to you, the only difference is now you can understand what we're saying.
This is a bad dream.
Shundara, calm down and just listen. All we want is a chance to play with you.
Why is this happening? Wait. Correction. How can I understand you guys?
Remember? You got hit yesterday. That's how.
So I have magical powers? Oh!
No, silly. All we want is a chance to play with you.
So all I have to do is play with each of you and you will stop talking?
No idea, but let's just start with me.
Okay, let's do this.
Over to the swing. Let's go over to the swings.
Okay, we're here to play on the swing. Are you having fun?
Hiya!
Whee! It's
So
been
much
so
fun!
long since we've had this much fun.
Hiya! Come on! Whee!
Okay, let's pull out you now.
I want to do the agility test. Time me. Going through the tunnel. Jump, 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 jump. Whee!
Wow, you're
Did
such
I beat
a
it?
good dragon. I never
I beat my
expected
record?
you to be this good.
I wanna go jump on the trampoline.
Okay,
Jump, jump,
1,
jump.
2, 3. Whee! Wow, we're up in the air and flying. Whoa, this is fun.
I'm going higher. Where did you go? Are you okay?
Good job, Candy.
I don't want no toy. I don't want no stroller. Really? You know what I want. Give me that bottle of milk. 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 Give me that bottle of milk. Oh, this is so good. Thank you. I want to go swimming, swimming, swimming. I'm going swim faster, faster, faster. Look, I'm only swimming with my tail. Oh my God. Where's my tail? Where's my tail? Oh no, I lost my tail. Found it. Yeah. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm the winner.
I wanna go to the hot spring.
Let's go, Juju, and let's have our very own spa day, just me and you. Ah, so relaxing.
So good on my whiskers. I'm ready to go home and take a nap.
So nice and so
You carry me
calming.
home.
Oh, Juju, I just love this. Oh, Juju, you fell asleep. I can't believe it's been so long since we've done this, Juju. It was a long day with all my pets and it ended with Juju. What a silly day. Oh, Juju, I love you so much. I love all of my pets. With that being said, kitties, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.